this one the monitoring. Press monitoring. Okay, now I choose a center. So my sensor is on the center. Okay, now how to go to monitoring? Okay, you go to this one view. I use a center line. Center. Okay. So this one the obstacle. Then this one AtLidar viewer. Okay, the blue color is for my teaching graph. Okay, the scan graph is for my scan graph area, or the area I scan. Okay, for maximum, the sensor onto the wall is 3 meter, less than 3 meter, 2.5 meter. So I key in the display range to 3000 mm, almost 3 meter. So this one from here to the wall, almost 3 meter, 2.5 meter. Then how to go to the view, last screen view, runtime screen. This one monitoring. I close all this data file. Close it. Obstacle list. I close. Property, the parameter, and then the software same almost like the AQ Master. No, this one. Okay. Now we have the view. Okay, now for this orange color, they have a distance measurement and a degree angle. So now okay. In front here is my object. Okay. You may look the obstacle here and here. They have a present item and obstacle. Look. Okay. Obstacle. And another one, the dot color. I go far away. This white is longer. Mean the V type. This teaching of the wall, it not be we have teaching behind the wall, mean the triggering behind the wall. Sorry, on the wall, not the wall, because we teaching on the wall is our teaching point. So anything move left or right, it will trigger the output. Okay, once you disconnect the Ethernet cable from your software, it will pop up connected timeout. Okay, but the LSC running as per normal. Okay, this one running per normal. Firstly, you have teaching and save it. So this one already running per normal. Okay. Okay, I put back. So you need to connect it again. And it connected again. Okay, now so currently it's a current runtime. Okay. Also, you can save the parameter or import a parameter, run for save parameter and import the parameter for the save. Okay, now I save it for this today, July, 15 July. So, okay, example, I want to import my parameter. Let's say I want to import parameter as my recipe. I go to import parameter. Press. Okay, I use this. So you want to apply parameter. Okay. So this one, the new parameter setup. As your save, as your preference, or your setting new set previous setting. So once I apply the previous setting, this parameter, so the parameter setting is different from now. So the function, the laser scanner cannot detect because the setting is different. Okay, I just import the current setup. I go import parameter. So I choose today date, 15 July. G1 apply parameter. Okay. So now the current value, the current runtime. Okay, look, this one for today setup. The width of 3 meter. Okay, the beam channel 1, channel 2, channel 3 and channel 4 is each channel 1 to channel 2 is 10 centimeter. So channel 2 to 3 is 10 cm, 3 to 4 10 cm. So total 40 cm. For the center view, okay, center view, the monitoring zone and concentrated monitoring zone. This one disable from the parameter and software developer. So for the right side, you can choose. You can select the width up to 6 meter. So the height is 6 meter. So you can choose the concentrate monitoring zone. Up to 30 cm or off. Okay, every width is 10 cm until maximum 30 cm. So sensitivity level you can set maximum outdoor 4. Okay, so minimum size of scanning your object 5 cm until 20 cm maximum. So not output setting, you either one you want to choose NONC, NCNO or NONC to pass. Okay, so this one, the features you're teaching every time you're set up. Teaching, this one initialize, teaching initialize. So this one for the features on the right. Okay, so I change back. So just hide. Okay, this one for left position. This one right position on the right. So this one is center position. Okay.